Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to add white outline. So you can create new file and I will change for the paper color to black color. The next we can draw with pen tools. So I will use the red color. You can draw in it in the layer 1. Okay, like this. And the next, if you want to add white outline, you can select the object. I will use the auto select. And the next we create new layer, move the layer below the layer 1 and go to edit and we can use the outline selection. But first you can change the color to white color. Go to outline selection and then click on draw outside. For line width you can set like I will set into 5 and click OK to set the white outline. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to add white outline.